welcome back. It's 𝒂𝒂𝒉𝒉. So today,
Anyway, I think I met him sometime before in a different life or where I record. I mean, he was Adam, I think I was Eve, but my.
so today we're gonna be doing a lot today. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so every time I post a video you can watch it. But let's get started. Right now, I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth. So yeah. So we got the toothbrush and pencil. I got some skincare stuff coming in for like personal hygiene stuff. So yeah, and also I'm on the road to 700 subscribers, so keep subscribing, y'all. So we done doing that. Now we're gonna wash our face. So now I'm gonna wash it off because yeah, I need to my stuff here, y'all. Can't wait. Okay, so my stand here got clear. Like one side is clear and the other side. Yeah. I had to do this. Okay. So I will get back to y'all when we get to Walmart. So yeah. So now we at Walmart, neighborhood Walmart. So yeah, I'm gonna get a couple more things. Just remember to come on, like, follow and subscribers. So yeah.
What you looking for? You should get one of these. We'll try this one.
Some Sprites or what you?
How about these?
The little mini Sprites or Fanta? It don't matter.
Okay. And what else?
Some chips for us for work.
Which one? The hot
No. Oh, I
Where's the twisting? Where you put this?
Twizzler. There you go. So now we getting some snacks for work. So yeah, I'm just getting a couple things. for work and stuff that everybody needs and stuff like that. So yeah.
It went down $6 now.
You do?
No, I mean shrimp.
I do. But
I'll get it.
chicken bites?
Enough for everybody.
Yeah, look, I'll get this one.
So y'all, comment down below what y'all favorite snack to eat. It's one of these days.
We can use that. Let's just get.
So we came to Dollar General to get some dish detergent.
Yeah.
And yeah, so
It's 30 and a lot of them will be gone.
Well, let's just get the ones that.
So now we about to go to the laundromat and dry our clothes. So I will see y'all when we get there. So yeah. This is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so every time I post a video you can watch it. And we on the road to 700 subscribers. We on the midnight, like 50 something, yeah, 56. Thank God. So yeah, let's get that.
Nobody coming. Nobody coming out.
I wanted to get it like before the end of this month. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, regular shade is out. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Anyway, I think I met him sometime before in a different life or where I record. I mean,